Real mode, MAC is allowed. In protective mode, the CPU, that is the address bus, will act as a memory management unit, and this is actually the one of the feature of 80286. We already know that 80286 has a 24 address lines, so that's why it can address up to 16 MB of physical memory. In protective addressing mode, it, it has a descriptive table scheme, and due to this scheme it has the ability to access up to 1 GB of virtual memory with the help of descriptive table. So finally, whatever the address calculated by your addressing unit, it is a handover to the bus unit of the CPU. Next part, that is related to bus execution unit. The bus execution unit contain the address latch and drivers, data transceivers, prefetchers, 6-byte instruction queues, and some bus control and interface control circuit. The address latch and drivers in the bus unit transmit the physical address over the 24 bits of address bus. The main function of your bus unit is to perform all the memory as well as the IO read write operations, to prefetch the instruction bytes in advance so that the faster execution will be done. So here it has a 6 bytes of instruction fetch queue. In advance it will fetch the 6 instruction, not a 6 instruction, 6 bytes of any program it will fetch in advance. It has ability to control the data to and from of the numerical data processor, that is 80287. The finally the instruction queue then further send the instruction to the instruction unit. So now this 6 bytes of instruction queue, this is actually seeing as 8 bytes, but not, this is the 6 byte. The finally whatever the instruction fetch, it will send to the instruction unit. Now next job of the instruction unit, it contains the two blocks, and those are nothing but the instruction decoder and instruction decoder queue. So here it has a three instruction decoder queue. It means again like your instruction queue, it will decode the three instruction in advance. So that's why it again the processor got the three instruction in advance to execute it. So instruction unit accept the instruction from the prefetched queue. It fully decodes up to three prefetched instruction at a time. Instruction decoder decodes one by one and stored into the decoder instruction queue. Finally, the output of the decoder circuit drives the control circuit in the execution unit. The next part is the execution unit part. The execution unit consists of ALU, register, and some control units. It consists of the set of register, same as 8086. Apart from it contains the other registers too. It has a 8 general purpose register which is of the 16 bit, 4 segment register which is of the 16 bit again. It has a 4 index register and pointer register also. It has a 16 bit flag register. It contains the status as well as the control register and instruction pointer, each of the 16 bit. In 8086 there not available the MSW, but there is the program status word, and the function of the execution unit is to sequentially execute the instruction received from the instruction units, and finally the result is stored. Means finally the result is stored already in by default in ALU. So whatever the result stored, you have to either send into the register bank or send over the data bus. So here, this is the processor extension interface. It is basically used to interface with the numerical data processor. These are the two different adders. In 8086, there is no these two adders are not available in 86, but in 286 these are the two. So that's why the it will perform the faster operation. Here is the exercise for you, that is calculate the physical, or we can say that the effective address of the memory location pointed by the stack code segment register. These are the some values are given. So now pause the video and calculate the answer. Now here is the solution. The offset of the code segment is the IP. So physical address is calculated with the help of the base address and the offset address. So base address register you have to multiply the 10, and you have to add the offset address of that respective base register. So code segment, the IP is the base register. So after calculating, this is the final answer, that is 41000H is your physical address. Second exercise. Recall the register organization of 8086 microprocessor and compare it with the 286. There is a solution. The 80286 and 86 has a same register which is shown here, but apart from that there are the two different registers, that is the MSW and LDTR and TR. Basically these are support in the protective mode only. Again this one also, it is a 48-bit register. These are support in the protective virtual mode. Thank you.